The Universal Declaration of Human Rights (UDHR) is a landmark international document that serves as a global roadmap for freedom and equality, outlining the fundamental rights and freedoms to which all human beings are entitled. Here is a comprehensive overview of the UDHR. The UDHR is a milestone document adopted by the United Nations General Assembly on December 10, 1948 in Paris, France. It was the first time in history that countries agreed on a comprehensive statement of the inalienable human rights that belong to every individual, everywhere, regardless of race, color, sex, language, religion, political, or other opinion, national or social origin, property, birth, or other status. The Declaration consists of a preamble and 30 articles that detail these fundamental rights. The UDHR is not a treaty and therefore is not directly legally binding on countries. However, it represents the fundamental values shared by the international community. Its principles have been universally recognized and have been incorporated into national constitutions and international treaties, giving it immense moral and legal authority. The 30 articles of UDHR cover a wide range of rights, which can be broadly categorized as follows: civil and political rights, economic, social, and cultural rights, and collective and community rights. This time, read with me the 30 articles of the UDHR. Article 1: all people are born free and equal in dignity and right. Article 2: everyone is entitled to these rights without distinction to any kind. Article 3: everyone has the right to life, liberty, and security. Article 4: no one shall be held in slavery or servitude. Article 5: no one shall be subjected to torture or cruel treatment. Article 6: everyone has the right to recognition as a person before the law. Article 7: all are equal before the law and entitled to equal protection. Article 8: everyone has the right to remedy by national courts for rights violations. Article 9: no one shall be subjected to arbitrary arrest, detention, or exile. Article 10: everyone is entitled to a fair and public hearing by an impartial tribunal. Article 11: everyone charged has the right to be presumed innocent until proved guilty. Article 12: no one shall face arbitrary interference with privacy, family, or home. Article 13: everyone has the right to freedom of movement and residence in a state. Article 14: everyone has the right to seek asylum from persecution in other countries. Article 15: everyone has the right to a nationality and to change it. Article 16: adults have the right to marry and found a family with free consent. Article 17: everyone has the right to own property alone or with others. Article 18: everyone has the right to freedom of thought, conscience, and religion. Article 19: everyone has the right to freedom of opinion and expression. Article 20: everyone has the right to peaceful assembly and association. Article 21: everyone has the right to take part in government and free elections. Article 22: everyone has the right to social security and to live with dignity. Article 23: everyone has the right to work fair pay and to join unions. Article 24: everyone has the right to rest, leisure, and reasonable working hours. Article 25: everyone has the right to an adequate standard of living and health. Article 26: everyone has the right to education, free in the elementary stages. Article 27: everyone has the right to participate in cultural life and share in science. Article 28: everyone is entitled to a social order where rights can be fully realized. Article 29: everyone has duties to the community and must respect others' rights. Article 30: nothing in this declaration may justify destroying these rights. Here is a reflection questions to consider before leaving today. Number 1. Which article of the Declaration stood out to you the most and why? Number 2. What challenges might different countries or communities face in protecting these rights? And number 3. Do you think some rights are harder to protect than others? Explain your reasoning. Thank you for listening.